Here we will talk about the new change type tool, which is, from what I can tell, exclusive to just duct and pipe work. Super handy. So what you have to do is, I've got a little, we can all set up our own demo like this. If you click on this, you know, this is a type, right? So it's a rectangular duct and it's a mitered elbow with tap. We've talked about that. This is a little different. It's rectangular radius elbow, right? With tap also. If I look at this one, it's a mitered elbow with T, etc. So they're all, you know, similar but different. Over here I have a round with tap, and then I have a round short radius with tap, so a different elbow type on that. And then over here I have some oval, which is oval gourd elbow with tap, and there's different types. And when you try to change them from one type to the next, even from within the own shape and stuff, it starts to run into problems. So that's where this tool is just unbelievable. This is what you do, and you can actually change rectangular to round and round to rectangular, and there's all kinds of experimenting you can do with this. So I'll do what I can here, but you can take over. So just be aware that if you convert rectangular to round, it'll become round and the diameter will be the width of the duct. Likewise, if you take round and convert it to be rectangular, it'll be square. It'll be both the width and the depth will be the diameter. So diameter takes over, it makes it square. And really, it's as easy as picking it, hitting the tool, and changing the type. So here we go. So what you can, and you can only do partially. It's really neat. So I'll start with the easy one. You just pick all this, or even better, hover, tab, click to grab that. Once it's clicked, I go change type right here on the contextual menu, and that's it. I go here and pick whatever I want. Watch, I'll change it to be mitered. I could change it to be rectangular. That'd be too easy. So I can change it to be oval, and there it goes. Now it's oval. It's that easy. Watch, grab this and say change type, and click on here and make it round with short radius. There it is. Okay, and it took the width and made it the diameter. And it works with pipes too. Watch, grab the, now watch, I only grab part of it. Let's do this one. Let's grab this section, or use my click and then hover, tab, click to pinch between those 2 points. Change type. I would put a shortcut in to the right away for that, and then change it to be, if you change it to be oval, it'll be round oval. So let's go mitered elbow square T, but look what it did. It put in a reducer or a conversion family right there. Isn't that cool? So I only did half of it. So that's the thing. That's all you have to do. Grab it, or all of it, or part of it, whatever you want. You can go and test it. Test as much as you want, change type, and then off you go. Now, if you pick on different systems, it'll prompt you like the piping one. Watch. I'll grab these pipes, okay, that are, if I pick one, it tells me it's a standard pipe. So if I grab these and say change type, it works here too. So I can change it to be, you know, chilled water, and it'll do it. Watch. I'll hit escape. But if I grab, this is different on a different Revit system. Watch, when I grab this all together, I can say do it all together, change type. And because they're on 2 different systems, I can pick one or the other, or both. Okay, and then say, oh, it's not letting me do both. Oh, I thought it would. Okay, so you have to pick one or the other, and then you can do pipes and change it to different pipe system. I thought it would let you. So test that out, change type. It'll even put in a squared around for you.